Meaning of halftime.
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 Halftime. Halftime refers to the midpoint of a game or match, particularly in sports such as football or basketball. At this point, the players take a break and both teams have a chance to regroup, strategize, and make changes before returning to the game for the second half. Halftime can also refer more generally to a midpoint in any event or performance, where there is an intermission or pause to allow for a break or transition. Overall, halftime serves as a critical moment in a game or event, allowing for reflection, adjustment, and renewed vigor for the remainder of the experience.